So let's go to the last part, no, which is ano ba yung nakikita nating balance equity margin, free margin, no? Margin level na yan. Now, unang-una, yung balance po, that is how much money that you have on your account with all the closed trades. No? Ibig sabihin lahat ng saradong trades, yan yung nagre-reflect. Yung equity mo, yan yung mas importante kasi yan talaga yung pera mo. Yung equity is all the money that you have with the current profits or losses na meron ka. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung balance ko nasa 96,200. Yung equity ko nasa 97,500, mas mataas. Bakit? Kasi dito po, mapapansin nyo, I have a couple of profitable trades. May kita tayo, roughly nasa mga 1,300. So syempre, mas mataas talaga yung equity natin. Pero kapag meron tayong floating losses dyan, then mas mababa equity natin sa balance. At yung equity talaga yung importante. Now, margin is how much money you use to open the current trades that you have. No? Kung matatandaan yung discussion po natin last session on volume and margin, dito po papasok yon. So sa ngayon, sa konting trades na ginamit ko, I only used a margin of $219. Maliit lang. So I still have $97,300 to trade with as my free margin. Okay? Itong margin level, kalimutan nyo na yan, hindi nyo gagamitin yan. Okay? So yun yung difference nung balance equity margin at free margin na yan.